Okay, hello everybody. I am Roman. This is my brother Christian. You guys already know him. That's okay. I have to do the intro. Okay, so we are going to tell y'all the story today, and the story we are telling is the story of Jonah. Okay, so Christian's the narrator, and I'm the sound effects guy. Okay, so Christian, you guys take it away. Okay, so I need everybody to listen up. Are you guys ready? Yeah? Okay, well, whether you're ready or not, I'm going to tell you guys the story. Okay? Okay, so listen up. So our story takes place, by the way, this is my Bible. Okay? I have a quick Bible. Okay. Alright, our story takes place a really, really long time ago. In fact, thousands of years ago, back to the time of Jonah. So, Robin, can we rewind back to the time of Jonah?
Let me get my time machine real quick.
Right,
okay, here we go. Jonah.
Hi, I'm Jonah. I'm Jonah. I'm 3 years old.
Okay, Robin, when I said back to the time of Jonah, I'm not talking about when he's 3 years old, okay?
Why not? That's like the best time ever.
Okay, Robin.
I'm 3 years old, everybody.
Okay, Robin, listen. Can I get you to, like, go back in your time machine and go, like, a little bit later in Jonah's life? Like, just a little bit later?
Fine.
Jonah.
Did it work this time?
I'm Jonah. What do you want? I'm Jonah.
Okay,
I'm here. Oh, I'm down here.
Robin, listen. When I said later in life, I wasn't meaning that late in life.
What are you talking? Oh, my back. Oh,
Okay,
oh, oh, my back.
Robin. Can we
Oh. What were you saying? I can't hear. What?
Can you go back a little further?
Hang on, this is my good ear.
Go back to when Jonah was a young prophet.
Oh, okay.
And which one was the next one?
I pressed the wrong one.
Of course you did.
Let's start all over.
Of course you did.
Who cares?
Jonah.
Hello, everybody. I am Jonah, middle-aged Jonah. Not too young, not too old. The right age for the right time. You gonna get started? Are you good now?
Yeah, I'm good. I've been waiting on you.
Are you good now?
I'm good.
Okay. I'm good? Okay. Sure. Yeah. Okay. Back to the story now. Okay. Jonah is a prophet, and his job is to tell people about God, basically. Okay? So Jonah didn't just do it in like one place. He traveled all over telling people about God.
Jonah,
So,
control tower. Connect control tower. Control tower to Jonah. Am I clear for takeoff, control tower?
wait.
You are clear for takeoff. Thank
Stop.
you.
What are you doing? What was that? What's that? Roman, what is that?
You said he traveled to tell people about God. He's in an airplane traveling to tell people about God.
Roman, they didn't.
Well, yeah.
Roman, they didn't have. Roman, they didn't have.
Oh my goodness. He's gonna kill somebody.
They didn't have airplanes back then, Roman.
Okay, stop. Oh my goodness. He killed Jonah. He was gonna do great things for God. And you killed him. You just crashed his plane down into the ground. Can you believe that?
Okay, Roman, listen. Don't stop me. Jonah's not dead.
Oh, he's not dead?
They didn't have airplanes back then.
Oh, I got it.
So it couldn't have been an airplane that
They
crashed.
had jetpacks.
No, they didn't.
Hovercraft.
No, they didn't have
Hoverboards.
No, they did not have hoverboards.
Skateboards. School buses.
No, they did not.
Submarines.
No, they did not have submarines.
They
tell me, how did people travel from here to there? How?
Want me to tell you? No. Okay. So back in the Bible times, the way that they would travel from one place to another is they'd either walk or they'd ride on animals like camels and donkeys.
Oh, I got it. They rode on donkey, cycles.
No.
So it's like
What was that?
that was the exhaust. It's kind of gross, but it's worth it. It's worth it. You get to ride on the donkey motorcycle.
Okay. Okay. No, maybe. Never mind. Okay, back to the story. Okay. Okay. One day, God told Jonah to go to a place called Nineveh. Oh, Nineveh is so beautiful. No, it wasn't.
Oh, Nineveh, disgusting.
Yeah, it's more like, okay. Nineveh was full of really mean people. The kind of people who worshipped idols. They took what wasn't theirs.
Give me that.
They even killed people.
I don't even want this thing. I'm gonna kill that guy.
Okay, hold on.
Those are some mean people.
Okay, so after seeing that sort of thing, Jonah was probably really scared to go to Nineveh.
I am terrified of the place called Nineveh.
Okay. That gave me a heart attack. Okay. So Jonah was really scared, and he didn't want to listen to God. So he completely disobeyed God. So rather than going to Nineveh, he went the complete opposite direction.
Excuse me, sir. You know which way is Nineveh?
Yes, Nineveh's right here.
I need the fastest airplane ticket out of here.
Nope, they didn't have airplanes.
I need the fastest ship ticket out of here.
That's more like it. Okay. So at first, when Jonah got on the ship, everything seemed fine. But then, suddenly, out of nowhere, Jonah felt the slightest gust of wind.
Oh, get away from me, Aaron. You are disgusting, sir. You're trying to tell a serious Bible lesson, and you're over here making two jokes.
Not that kind of wind. Then what? I'm talking normal wind, like a breeze.
Okay.
Thank you, that's more like it. Okay. So everything seemed fine at first, but then, out of nowhere, the winds began to pick up. The winds blew harder and harder. They were crashing into the side of the boat. Waves were coming over the edges. Jonah found himself in the middle of a huge storm.
I'm in the middle of a huge storm. I just got electrocuted.
Jonah knew that it was all his fault because he didn't obey God. So he went to the captain of the ship and he said, "This is because of my disobedience. Throw me overboard and the storm will stop." So they did. They took Jonah, they picked him up, and they hurled him over the side of the boat.
Man, this guy's fat.
Jonah flew through the air and crashed into the ocean.
Cannonball.
Jonah hit the water with a great splash. He began to sink towards the ocean floor.
I can't swim.
As he began to drown, the water around him began to bubble. Below him, he saw the eyes of a great, big, giant whale. The whale swam towards Jonah and swallowed him whole.
It tastes like chicken.
Apparently our whale was from Oklahoma. Okay. So Jonah was trapped inside the belly of the great beast. It was hot.
Man, it's so hot.
And dark.
I can't see.
And slimy.
Clap. What am I stepping in?
And it smelled like fish guts.
Oh man, it smells like fish butts in here.
Fish guts.
That's what I said. It smells like fish butts in here. It's horrible.
Roman. Say fish.
Fish.
Say guts.
Guts.
Can you put them together?
Fish butts. I don't see what he's saying.
He asked God to forgive him for being disobedient.
God, please forgive me.
The Bible says that when he prayed, the whale swam to the top of the sea and spit him out. He's stuck. He's stuck. But I need some help. Okay. Come on, man. I'm dying here. Are you good now?
I'm good. I'm good. I almost died, but I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. He's out. He's out. He's out.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Felt like a hairball.
Okay. Jonah flew through the air and landed on the shore.
Ow, my butt.
The whale turned around and swam back into the ocean.
Hi, buddy. Yeah.
Jonah got up, he cleaned himself off, and he headed to Nineveh. When he arrived at Nineveh, he stood up to the huge gates.
Those gates are so huge, man.
He stood up to the gates, he clenched his fist, and he banged on the door.
I thought I knocked. I must have hit the doorbell or something. Ding dong, ding dong. Man, they're taking forever.
The gates
Ding
closed.
dong, ding dong. I have been stuck in the whale for 3 days, and they're taking forever to open up these gates.
The gates
Ding
were okay.
dong.
Somebody hit the door.
Oh, thanks, man. You're the best.
Okay. The gate swung open, and Jonah found himself face to face with the wicked people of Nineveh.
Who's that slimy guy right over there?
Jonah began to preach to them, and instead of getting mad, they actually gave him a shot.
Burn!
No, listen.
I just killed Jonah, man.
Not that kind of shot. No, not that kind of shot. Like a chance. They gave him a chance.
What? Oh my goodness, somebody call a doctor! I'm getting CPR! I'm getting mouth to mouth! Oh man, that smells like fish butt! And I did a French kiss, that was disgusting! That was gross. That was disgusting.
I didn't want to hear that. Okay. No, okay, listen. They didn't shoot him. They gave him a shot. They gave him a chance. So Jonah's still over there alive, okay? So he began to preach to the people. They gave him a chance. And because Jonah eventually obeyed God, because he went to the people of Nineveh and told them about God, and that he loved them, and that he wanted them to obey him, he was saved from the whale, and all the people of Nineveh were saved too. So, Roman,
So you're saying, because of God's faithfulness to the people of Nineveh, he was able to use Jonah to tell the people of Nineveh about God's love for them?
kind of, yeah?
Really? No way! Okay, that must be a reason why we should celebrate, right?
I'd say so.
Okay, cool, here we go. Hip, hip, hooray! The whale saved the day.
Roman, the whale did not save the day.
Oh, okay, sorry, I got it, guys, I got it. Okay, here we go. Hip, hip, hooray! Jonah saved.
Roman,
But Jonah was the one who told the people about God.
but did Jonah obey God immediately?
You're right. Okay, I got it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I got it.
You need help.
Yeah, I'm
You
serious.
got it.
Here we go. Hip, hip, hooray! The donkeys are no!
No.
I was just kidding. I know who saved the day. Right? Yeah, tell me just so I know I'm right. I want to know if you know it.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Okay.
I want to know if you know it. Tell me.
Sure.
Yeah. Oh! I got it! I already knew that.
Okay, now listen. Since I just told you, if you mess this one up, I'm kicking you out. You're gonna be kicked off the stage.
Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Hip, hip, hooray! God save